So, hi everyone, my name is Lance Rosner from 3B Sociology. So, today we are going to talk about a very interesting question. So, can AI generated works can be considered art? So, let's start with the basics. So, what is art? So, art is something made to express feelings, ideas, or to show beauty. So people make art in many forms like painting, drawing, writing stories, making music, or dancing. So art helps us to understand emotions and the world around us. So it often comes from the heart and from personal experiences. So but now with the technology getting smarter, computers can also create art. So this is called AI generated art. Wh- so what what does that mean? So AI or artificial intelligence is a kind of computer program that can learn from data. For example, if you show a computer many paintings, it can learn patterns and styles. Then AI can use that knowledge to create its own painting. So the same thing the same thing can happen with music, poems, or even videos. So this had to a big question. So uh, is this really art, or can we um, call what AI makes art? So let's look at the both sides of the argument. So some people say yes, AI generated works are art. So there are three reasons. The first reason nga ang giingon is um, AI can create new beautiful things even though it's a machine. The result can surprise us and make us feel emotions. If something touches your heart or makes you think, it doesn't that make it art. So reason 2 is AI is just a number tool, is a another tool. So just like artists, they use paint brushes, cameras, or musical instruments. So they can now use AI. So some artists work with AI to create amazing projects. So the third reason is people are already accepting AI art. So it's being sold in galleries, they shown in museums, and even winning art competitions. So if people enjoy it, maybe it really is art. So uh, another side of um, but they say but others say no. AI generated works are not real art daw. So naripon siya three reasons. So the first reason is AI has no feelings or emotions. It doesn't have a story to tell. It just follow rules and patterns. So the true art, they say, it must come from a human mind and heart. So mo dun ang first reason. So the second reason is, can AI only copies what it has learned? It doesn't create something new from personal experiences or imagination. Many believe that art must be original and meaningful. So the third reason is, art is not just about the final result. It's about the process, the thought, and the emotion behind it. AI doesn't have these human qualities. So So the answer is well, it depends how you define art. So if you believe art is the only about emotion, expression, and human creativity, then you might say AI cannot make true art. But if you think art is about beauty, creativity, and how something makes people feel, then yes, maybe AI generated works can be considered art too. So in the end, AI might not replace human artists, but it gives us new way to create and explore ideas, whether or not whether or not it's real it's real art. So that's up to each person to decide. So that's all. Thank you and God bless.